Hey everybody, and today we have a bit of a project in front of us, as you can see. We have a Lionel FA1 that has a broken truck cover, which is necessary for holding everything in. Whatever am I going to do? We shall find out right after this. So this is the engine, as you guys know, and what we're going to be doing today is trying to clean this thing up and make it run good again. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to pop the shell. I want to look at what's inside first. Well folks, I just gave it the works, and now we're going to test it. Well folks, I think that's going to be about it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. This engine is a very cool engine, and in my opinion the paint scheme's beautiful on it. Some of you guys out there may disagree, but blue happens to be my favorite color, combined with my favorite railroad, combined with Lionel. This engine is just perfect. So, yeah, I'll see you guys all in the next video, which I actually don't know what I'm doing right now, because that was actually the only engine on my restoration shelf. Maybe I'll start doing operation sessions or something like that. Keep on model railroading.